Sceptre monitors offer three main ways to adjust brightness. Each method has its advantages depending on your preferences and monitor model. The most common method uses the physical buttons on your monitor. Look for the OSD button, usually located on the bottom or back of the monitor. Press the menu button to access the on-screen display. Navigate to Picture or Display Settings, then select the brightness option and use the arrow buttons to adjust the value. Windows provides a quick software method to adjust brightness. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. In the Brightness and Color section, you'll find a brightness slider. Move it left to dim or right to brighten your display. Changes apply immediately. Graphics card control panels offer advanced brightness and gamma controls. Access NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon settings through the system tray or by right-clicking the desktop. For optimal viewing, set brightness between 120 to 150 nits for general use or 200 to 250 nits for gaming. Always match your monitor brightness to your room lighting to minimize eye strain. When brightness adjustment isn't working properly, there are several common issues and solutions to try. Let's start with the most frequent problems. The first issue is button lock. If your monitor buttons aren't responding, they may be locked. Hold the menu button for at least 5 seconds to unlock them. Another common issue is demo or store mode. This mode restricts settings changes. Check your monitor's menu for a demo mode setting and disable it if it's enabled. If your settings don't save, make sure you're exiting the menu properly. Use the menu button to confirm changes rather than just waiting for the menu to time out. Flickering during brightness adjustment often indicates driver or connection problems. First, try updating your graphics drivers through Device Manager. Also, check your cable connections. Loose or damaged cables can cause display issues, including brightness flickering. Try different ports if available. Newer Sceptre monitors include advanced brightness features. HDR support requires different brightness adjustment approaches to properly map brightness levels. Adaptive brightness automatically adjusts based on ambient light conditions. This feature can be found in newer models and may conflict with manual brightness settings. Blue light reduction modes help minimize eye strain during extended use. These modes often integrate with brightness controls and automatically adjust color temperature. For optimal performance and longevity, keep your monitor brightness between 50 to 70%. This extends LED backlight lifespan by up to 30% while maintaining good visibility.